by stone and line by line, something strong begins to shine. Across the gorge so wide and cold rises strength in arches bold. What was distant starts to meet, high above the canyon's beat. Hands together, hearts aligned, build a path through space and time. We are building something true, crossing what we once went through. Step by step, the gaps grow small. Together we can cross it all. Where the drop once brought us fear, now connection draws us near. Every effort, every voice turns a challenge to a choice. Bridges rise when courage stays, when we join our gifts and ways. What was broken finds repair through the work we choose to share. We are building something true, crossing what we once went through. Step by step, the gaps grow small. Together we can cross it all. Together we can cross it all. Together we can cross it all. A bridge is built when hearts agree to try.